Tullies. Hope everyone's well after the dry spell. Just a quick video here to show you a new range of good value plants that we currently have in stock at the moment there. Mostly 2 litre plants, very nice quality, average price around £2.50. These are all on site ready to go, so as you can see from the quality of plants, lovely chunky spireas, Virginias in 2 colours. We also have phlox, verbenas, nepetas, some very popular plants at the moment there. Coming down to here, very good batch of echinacea white swans. We have this in the purpurea as well. It's a nice big chunky plants for your jobs. More of a commercial range of plants. There's about 30 to 40 different varieties in quantity that are ready here to go. Sedum autumn joys starting to get really nice. They're going to start bursting into flower in the next month. Ladies Mansell, always a great filler for jobs. So I mean, we do have quite a good selection here for everybody to use in the commercial jobs. Vinca minors, Vinca majors, always used. Geranium macrorrhizums, geranium brooksides. So I mean, these are things that you would plant in mass planting in big numbers, which is they're here ready to be taken. Pocotillas, spireas, lamb's ears, statues, planiceras. Very nice selection of grasses here. You've got steeper ponytails, steeper arundinacea, and there's also a Carl Foster as well. So they're all lovely big plants. They're here ready to go. Very good value.